There was a shock today from Italy in the case of the American college student Amanda Knox, who was acquitted of murder charges and freed 18 months ago, returning home to America. But tonight, she is once again at the center of a courtroom drama in a distant country. A new group of Italian judges sending her case back to an appeals court. So what is next for the young woman who has lived at the center of this storm? ABC's Lama Hassan is in Rome.
Amanda Knox was at home in Seattle when her Italian lawyer called at 2 a.m. to deliver the unwelcome news.
She's shocked, she's very sad. She thought this was the end of a nightmare.
Knox and Sollecito were initially convicted of murdering Kircher in what police claim was a sex game gone wrong. Knox was sentenced to 26 years in jail.
There is no evidence. There never was any evidence, and there never will be any evidence.
In 2011, an appeals court overturned their convictions after their defense argued the evidence in the case had been mishandled. She had spent 4 years behind bars. The appeals court scathingly criticized virtually the entire case as presented by the prosecutors and ruled that she should be freed. Knox returned to the U.S. within 24 hours.
Thank you to everyone who's believed in me, who's defended me, who's supported my family.
She has spent the last 18 months in Seattle, studying creative writing at the University of Washington. She has a new boyfriend and has spent the last year writing a book about her ordeal. Today, she said she was sad about the painful news. Although the victim's family tearfully welcomed today's decision, the Supreme Court bases their ruling solely on whether or not Italian legal code was followed, not the specifics of the evidence or the witnesses. The Knox family says they will continue to fight with their legal battle, quote, with our heads held high in the face of wrongful accusations.
Italy does have an extradition treaty with the U.S., but it would take years of legal wrangling. Prosecutors here say they are convinced of Amanda and Raffaele's guilt, and they will not give up.